So today, in a very brief video, let us talk about few questions related to SAARC. What is SAARC? Who is the Secretary General of SAARC? Where is the main headquarter of SAARC? What are the main organizations of SAARC? What are the main functions of SAARC? Who are the member states of SAARC? Who are the observer countries? So these things. So let us discuss these few points today. Let us discuss few things about SAARC. What is the full form of SAARC? South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. That is the first thing. SAARC. What are the main principles on which SAARC was formed? So the main things they say are the principles of sovereign equality, territorial integrity, political independence, non-interference in the political matters of the member states, and mutual benefit. And whatever regional cooperation is going to be there, it has to complement the ongoing bilateral relations among the countries and the multilateral relations also among the SAARC member countries. Then how many members are there in SAARC? How many member countries are there in SAARC? Initially, there were 7: Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. But in, I think in 2005, Afghanistan was also added as the member country. In which SAARC summit, Afghanistan was added as a member country? 13th annual summit in 2005. Afghanistan became the member country. Where is the headquarter and the Secretariat of SAARC? Secretariat and headquarter of SAARC is there in Kathmandu, Nepal, and it was formed in 1987. There are some observer countries to SAARC. What are these observer countries? So these observer countries, they can sit and sit in the inaugural and the concluding sessions of the summit, but they do not have the voting rights. They cannot negotiate. They are not party to the negotiations which happen in the summit. And there are 9 observer countries. What are the names? China, US, Myanmar, Iran, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Mauritius, and European Union. When was SAARC established? On 8th of December 1985 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. What are the main SAARC organizations? So there are 4 main SAARC organizations. One is SAARC Arbitration Council. Other is SAARC Development Fund. Other one is South Asian Regional Standards Organization. And the other one is South Asian University. SAARC Arbitration Council is headquartered in Pakistan. And the main idea is that it is providing forum for all the legal disputes or commercial, industrial disputes which might occur between these SAARC nations. And as and when these member states, they refer to the arbitration forum. Then SAARC Development Fund. The main objective is to provide the project-based funding on the social sector issues such as poverty alleviation in the member countries. South Asian Regional Standards Organization. It is headquartered in Dhaka, Bangladesh. And the main idea is that it is helping in achieving of standardization and is aimed to develop or harmonize standards in the region so as it is going to facilitate the trade among the member states. South Asian University. It is an international university and it is located in Delhi, India. Who was the first and current Secretary General of SAARC? Who was the first Secretary General of SAARC? Abul Hassan from Bangladesh. And the current Secretary General of SAARC is Esla Ruwan Virakun from Sri Lanka. So these are the few questions, very, very simple things which you should remember for your SAU paper. they might ask you 1 or 2 questions here and there. So these are the few questions which I wanted to discuss. So I hope you like this video. Thank you, beta.